I got clicks showing in Google Ads, but actually no one came to my website. Okay, so if you feel that it is invalid clicks, then Google will give you the credit for those invalid clicks in your billing report. The other thing could be that there is something wrong on the website. Now, you said that actually no one came onto my website. Are you looking in Google Analytics? If so, that means there's something wrong on the website. Have you entered the right URL in the ad? Sometimes mistakes do happen. You put in a wrong URL and it may be going to a 404 page or a different or somewhere else. So double check the URL, the final URL in the ads. Make sure your website is running fine. And for this, I would also highly recommend you do this. Set up a secondary conversion. What do I mean by that? What this is you have a conversion as a page view, not as a actual conversion. So if you had 100 clicks on the ad, I'm just going to make this bigger. This should equal to 100 visitors to your website, correct? And this is what you want to track. So set up a new conversion as a page view to your landing page where that click is going. This will not interfere with your primary conversion, but at least you'll be able to see whether there's a problem or not. If you are seeing this as 0 visitors, there's some big problems and you are bleeding cash, wasting your cash, and there's something wrong with either the tracking or the website, or there's something wrong. So you better stop your campaigns and get to the bottom of it, because this should equal the number of visitors. Quite often it does not match. It could be like 92 or 93, but at least, or sometimes it is a bit more, because sometimes people visit the website page twice or something. So it will trigger the tag, but it should be there or thereabouts around this 100 clicks.